Hello bachcho, in this question it is given that let 2x square plus 3x plus 4 to the power of 10 is equals to summation r equal to 0 to 20 a r x bar r, then a7 by a13 is equals to which of the following values. Now for finding the answer, let us write the key concept. This question key concept is if there is a binomial expansion of a plus b plus c to the power of n, then the general term is given by n factorial divided by r factorial, s factorial, t factorial, a power r, b power s, c power t, where r plus s plus t is equals to n. Now here we have this term as a, this term as b, this term as c, and 10 as n. So here we will have the general term is equals to 10 factorial divided by r factorial, s factorial, t factorial into 2x square to the power of r into 3x to the power of s into 4 to the power of t. So if we simplify this, we will have 10 factorial divided by r factorial, s factorial, t factorial, 2 power r, 3 power s and 4 power t into x to the power of 2r plus s. Now from this given term we can say that ar is the summation of coefficient of x power r. So to find a7 we have to find the coefficient of x power 7. To find the coefficient of x power 7, we should have 2r plus s is equals to 7 and r plus s plus t is equals to 10. So here we have two equation. 2r plus s is equals to 7, which implies s is equals to 7 minus 2r, and r plus s plus t is equals to 10. Now from this we can say r can range only from the values 0, 1, 2 and 3. If it goes to 4, then the value of s will become negative, which is not possible. So r can have only 4 values. So if r is equals to 0, s is equals to 7 and t is equals to 3. And if r is equals to 1, then s is equals to 5, then t is equals to 4. So if r is equals to 2, s is equals to 3 and t is equals to 5. If r is equals to 3, s is equals to 1 and t is equals to 6. So we will have a7 is equals to 10 factorial divided by 0 factorial, 7 factorial, 3 factorial into 2 power 0, 3 power 7, 4 cube plus 10 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 5 factorial, 4 factorial into 2 power 1, 3 power 5, 4 power 4 plus 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial into 2 power 2, 3 power 3, 4 power 5 plus 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 1 factorial, 6 factorial into cube, 3 power 1 and 4 power 6. So if we simplify this, we will have 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 power 0 is 1. So we will have 3 power 7, 4 cube plus 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 power 1 is 2, 3 power 5 into 4 power 4 plus 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 2 square, 3 cube, 4 power 5 plus 10 factorial, 3 factorial, 6 factorial, 2 cube, 3 power 1, 4 power 6. Now let us change all the 4 powers into the power of 2. So we will have 10 factorial, 3 power 7, 2 power 6 divided by 7 factorial, 3 factorial plus 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 power 5, 4 power 4 is 2 power 8. 2 power 8 into 2 power 1 is 2 power 9 plus 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 cube, 4 power 5 is 2 power 10. 2 power 10 into 2 square is 2 power 12 plus 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 6 factorial into 3 into 4 power 6 is 2 power 12. 2 power 12 into 2 power 3 is 2 power 15. Now let us take 2 cube common here. Then we will have 10 factorial, 3 power 7, 2 power 3 divided by 7 factorial, 3 factorial plus 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 4 factorial, 3 power 5, 2 power 6 plus 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 cube into 2 power 12. If we take 2 cube common, we will have 2 power 9 plus 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 6 factorial into 3 into 2 power 12. Take this as equation number 1. This is the value of A7. Now, for finding A13, 2R plus S will be equals to 13, which implies S is equals to 13 minus 2R. And R plus S plus T is equals to 10. If R is equals to 0 or 1 or 2, then T will be negative. So, R should start only from 3. R can have 3, 4, 5 and 6. If R is equals to 3, then we will have S is equals to 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then we will have T is equals to 0. So, if R is equals to 4, then S is equals to 13 minus 8, that is 5. Then T is equals to 1. So, if R is equals to 5, then we will have S is equals to 3 and T is equals to 2. And if R is equals to 6, we will have S is equals to 1, T is equals to 3. Then we will have A13 is equals to 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 7 factorial, 0 factorial, 2 cube, 3 power 7, 4 power 0 plus 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 power 4, 3 power 5, 4 power 1 plus 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 power 5, 3 power 3, 4 power 2 plus 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial, 1 factorial, 3 factorial into 2 power 6 into 3 power 1 into 4 power 3. Now let us change all the 4 powers in terms of 2 powers. Then we will have 10 factorial into 2 cube, 3 power 7, 4 power 0 is 1 divided by 3 factorial, 7 factorial plus 10 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 2 power 4 into 4 is 2 square. So 2 power 4 into 2 square is 2 power 6 into 3 power 5 plus 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 power 5 into 3 cube into 2 power 4. So we will have 2 power 9 into 3 cube plus 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 power 6 into 2 power 6 is 2 power 12 into 3. Now this is the value of a13. Now substitute the value of a13 in equation 1. From here, if we see, this is the value of a13. So we can write a7 is equals to 2 cube into a13. So a7 by a13 is equals to 2 cube, which is equals to 8. This is the final answer. Now let us check the option. From the option, we can say that option A is correct. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you, bachcho.